Morning, I hope you're well. Today's video is about a really important topic that everybody should be clear in their own minds about. What is it you want? Basically, if you don't know what you want in life, you'll always end up with what you don't want. So it's really, really important to be clear in your own mind what it is you want in life. So what do you want? Do you want to be richer? Do you want to be healthier and fitter? Do you want a new house? Do you want to live in a different place? Do you want a different friendship group? Do you want a different job? Whatever you want, you need to know what you want, and you need to have it clear and measurable, because what gets measured gets managed. So if your goal is to lose weight, say you're 16 stone, your goal needs to be specific. It needs to be, right, I want to be 12 stone, for example. And then you need to set yourself specific goals to get there. Perhaps your goals would be, I need to drink a litre of water each day. I need to eat 5 portions of fruit and vegetables each day. I need to stop eating cakes and biscuits. It's got to be something specific to get to that goal. You might also have a goal of things you don't want. I don't want to be friends with this person anymore. I don't want to have OCD anymore. I don't want to be drinking anymore. And then what you do is you have specific goals each day to get you towards your big long-term goals. So, I mean, if it's something like not drinking, that's simple. The goal is, I do not drink today. And just focus on today. What do I need to do today? Don't get overwhelmed by thinking about weeks, months into the future. Just focus on today. Get up each day. What do I need to do today to reach my goals? Maybe your goal is to learn a new language. Right, I need to spend half an hour today studying that language. And these have got to be non-negotiables. You know, if your goal is to get fitter, right, I've got to go to the gym today for at least an hour. And that's a non-negotiable. Come hell or high water, I must do this before I go to bed. Write a list in the morning, tick things off. Let's start with easy things and then move on to the harder things. However you want to arrange it, but that's how you make progress in life. Consistency, discipline. So what's all that got to do with OCD? Well, OCD is continually trying to take you down this path of analysis, checking, ruminating, carrying out rituals and compulsions. And you've got to understand that that is a complete and utter pointless dead end. That's why you've got to know what you want in life. If you know what you want in life, you realise how completely and utterly pointless OCD is. OCD is continually trying to get you to do things that aren't helping you towards your goals at all. And so you need to think big picture, you need to see the totality of what's going on in your life and realise what a total and utter waste of time OCD is, how the things you are doing with OCD do not align with your goals in life at all. And you need to stop doing it. I hope that helps you. A bit of a rant, but yeah, you to recover from OCD, part of that process is knowing what you should be doing each day and realizing how OCD is completely and utterly destroying your life and wasting your time. I hope that helps. See you in the next one.